6, and we are about to touch West Virginia. We're in Kentucky. Guy in Kentucky last night after we had some bomb pizza place. Thank you, babe, for finding the mod pizza. I need to look to see if there's any on the West Coast because
it was really
so
good.
much better than Blaze. They made the pizza in front of you. You asked you what extra toppings you wanted, and then they had their oven already on, threw it in there, and started killing it. It was like so quick, so fast, and efficient, and they were really good about Sam's gluten allergy.
And dairy allergy.
And dairy, yeah. They switched her gloves and everything for her, and cooked it on a different side of the deal, used a different slicer. It was fantastic. One thing though is their sizes are deceiving when it's just the dough. Okay, I'm like, oh, I can eat mod size. No, it turns into like a big size after it's cooked.
Well, they told you how many slices. I heard them saying how many slices was in there.
Yeah, it was like, oh, 6 slices. Okay, it's like a personal for me. I'm good. No.
No, those 6 slices were huge. I don't think anybody finished. Our middle was the closest. I'm pretty sure because he only had 2 pieces left.
He had thin crust cheese, and he said he loved it.
We are now 6 hours away, but I think it will take more like 8 because we have to make at least 2 stops as far as gas goes. Maybe 3.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 for gas, and then a rest stop.
Corbin, because we have stuff to do is morning treatments, but we're staying on Idaho time. So then it's not mixed up when we get back to Idaho.
Yeah, we're just trying to keep everything on our normal Idaho time, and so we've got a little bit longer before he does his morning meds, and so we're just driving right now. He just woke up like 10 minutes ago, and we're just trying to see how far we can get before we have to do those morning meds.
And we are currently at 42 hours, 18 minutes of driving, and 2,511 miles driven. Whew. My body is ready to get out of this car and not be in one for a couple days.
Yeah, I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
Still in West Virginia. Just me and Happy right now. My co-pilot is currently in the RV doing treatments for Corbin. Yeah, still in West Virginia. Got about 100 miles until Virginia. And so listening to music right now. Just me and the dog jamming in here. I am so ready to be out of the car. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, we're so high up here. Just all this green and trees. Fall is gorgeous here. When you get all the colors of the different trees and stuff. Oh. Just came out from the Shenandoah area where the national park is. Didn't go there, just driving through it. We got like 60 miles left until we are at my parents' house in Virginia. Oh, so glad. And yeah, we played on Interstate 81. Felt like a ice cream in the ice cream sandwich between truckers in there. That was not fun, but that is apparently the main route between New York and Florida for truckers to take, going north and south. And so it is very busy with truckers. We were close, ready to be there. And I got my passengers again. Hi.
Hi.
Had to stop for gas and got our passengers. Even this little one.